In this video, I'm gonna show you how we can create bottom navbar. So I'm using the same project that we have created in our last video. So we have one graph. This is the main graph, and we have three fragments here: first fragment, second fragment, and third fragment. So the first thing I need to do, I need to go here to this activity main.xml file. Okay, let me go to this code. So from here, I'm removing this drawer layout. Okay, let me copy this XML declarations to the constraint layout, and I'm removing this drawer layout. So constraint layout is the top level layout, and we have one toolbar here, and we have this fragment container view where we are loading the fragments. And from the main activity, I'm gonna remove this drawer layout, and let me remove this drawer layout from here. Okay, I'm removing from this initialization of this helper configuration and also this line. Now removing this part. Now let me restart that. Now you can see that we have only this toolbar and the first fragment. So here we are getting the toolbar. This nav host fragment is initialized. Nav controller is we are getting the nav controller from this nav host fragment, and we are creating this helper configuration, and we are setting this toolbar with the nav controller. Now to add the bottom navigation bar layout. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go here to this activity main, and inside this coordinator layout, I'm gonna add this bottom, search for bottom. Then here we have this bottom navigation view. This component we need to add. Width is match parent, and for the height is wrap content. So similar to the navigation drawer, we need to pass one menu file. So we already have one main menu. So here we have three items. The first item, the ID is the first fragment ID. It is the same as the first fragment. And we have one icon and we have one title for this menu. So I'm gonna use this menu as the menu for this bottom navigation view. For that I need to use add menu. So I'm using this main menu here. So let me go here to the split. Now you can see that this menu is added to the top. So for that we need to use layout gravity. So if I give layout gravity as bottom, it will be moved to bottom. Now let me restart the app. So this bottom navigation view is added here. If I click on it, it's not changing the fragment, because for that we need to add the configuration here. So first thing, let me create one variable here. Let init variable bottom nav view. It's of type bottom navigation view. Then inside this on create, we can get the bottom navigation view. So let me add one ID for this bottom nav. So here I'm gonna add one ID. ID is, suppose it is bottom nav, and in the main activity go to find view by ID r.id.bottom nav. So similarly, like we did for this toolbar, we need to call bottom nav view dot set the with nav controller. So we need to pass the nav controller. So now let me restart it. You can see that this fragment is changing, but it's also adding one back button here in the toolbar. So for that we need to initialize these three fragments as the initial fragment. We can do it when we are initializing this app configuration. So here we can pass all the fragments that we want to initialize as the initial fragment. So I'm going to pass all the ID of this first fragment, second fragment, and third fragment. So r.id dot third fragment. So these fragments will be considered as the initial fragments, and but this back button will be not be shown if we are in any of these fragments. So now if I restart it, now if I click on any of these fragments, then you can see that this back button is not rendered here. So that's all for now. You can download the code from the link that I have mentioned in the description below. So if you have any question, please drop one comment, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it. Thanks. Bye.